Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Rob's West Virginia Bass Fishing. And this morning I'm out at Elk Fork Lake, just outside Ripley, West Virginia. And I don't have much time at all. We got a strong front approaching. It's maybe only a couple hours away. It's probably, I think it's like 7:15, maybe 7:20 in the morning right now. And it's supposed to be raining pretty good by about 9:30, so I don't have a lot of time. We got, it's 62 degrees out here right now, and the water temperature is 54. It's really, really muddy. But I know 54 degrees ain't that warm, but first thing I'm gonna try is this buzzbait back here in this little pocket. But I've also got a chili crawl KVD 1.5, an orange belly crawl, redeye shad, a thunder cricket, and one of the spinner baits I made. But like I said, I don't have much time, so I'm going to get after it. I'm going to try this black and red buzz bait that I built back here in this pocket for a few minutes, and then I'm going to move over and fish the main lake. So hopefully something will happen this morning. Well, folks, I decided to make a move. I'm now at Rollins Lake. Water's 55 degrees here. It's getting ready to start raining at any time. It's 65 degrees now out here. The air's done went up, and I just didn't feel comfortable fishing that cold 54 degree muddy water over at Elk Fork. So I'm over here at Rollins now, and I don't have much time. Got my trusty redeye shad, and see if we can get one to bite before this front blast through here and soaks me with rain. This is some serious wind, people. I've never seen this little lake get like this. Look at the white cat. Got one. Oh yeah, fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Look at there, folks. This is what being out in these conditions will get you. Ow! Now he's got me in the jacket. Daggone it. All right. Whew. He's got me now. Oh. Oh, daggone it. I got hooks all in me. This is not good. There we go, folks. Look at there. Got me one on Gold Sexy Shad, Redeye Shad. I see how long it is real quick. Heck on it. Fourteen and a half inches. £1 even. All right, this is why I got up this morning at 4 o'clock, or no, 5 o'clock, and come out here. Because the front's passing through, temperature's dropping, and I caught me a bass today in it. Go on back. Oh, folks, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. It's getting way too windy to do anything out here. My tripod's been blown over a couple of times, and just now, a minute ago, almost went over again. Had to go chase my hat over the hill, and it's just too windy. You can see out there on the lake behind me, it's getting pretty wavy. But in the middle of all this, I did manage to catch one 14-inch bass. I caught it on this half-ounce Strike King Redeye Shad. It's a gold chrome sexy shad. I got it fitted with oversized Mustad KVD Elite treble hooks, and I was fishing it on my Lew's David Fritz Perfect crankbait rod. It's 7.5 foot medium heavy action, and I got it paired with my Lew's American Hero reel. It's got a 6.4 to 1 gear ratio, and I've got it spooled with 20-pound test fish's fluorocarbon. I know one bass doesn't make for a real good video, but with the conditions out here and all this wind and rain I've been through today, I was glad to catch it. I mean, I was glad I got up at 5 o'clock this morning. But I'd really appreciate it if y'all's new to the channel, if you could give it a like, maybe subscribe to it, and give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think, and I'll get out and get another video done as soon as I can. And I really appreciate everybody watching.